Hackers University APC Learning Solutions introduces you to ECIH, Certified Incident Handling Program. Incident response management is an integral part of cybersecurity operations. Incident responders are the first to react to any security incident. They help organizations identify, contain, eradicate, and recover from the incident. Incident handlers help create incident management plans for detection and recovery procedures. Join our instructor-led live online training from any part across the globe. For more information, log in to www.apclearning.com. Hackers University APC Learning Solutions. Learn today to make the most tomorrow.